I want to talk to you today about how the COVID-19 pandemic has affected domestic assault cases in Ontario. As you're probably aware, our court system was paused to a certain extent from March until July 6th, actually was the date. Now, on July 6th, the courts have been open in a limited way. They've resumed trials, but there's only a few courtrooms, that is, that have been renovated in each city. So it's open in a limited way. Trials have resumed. Here's the issue, though. This summer, people would come to me, they would hire us, and they would say, look, I want to either set my date for trial. Well, if they wanted to set a date for trial, we couldn't do that this summer. It had to go over in 10-week increments. But I was able to do the normal steps in their file and get it ready to set for trial. So now that it's July 6th, we are setting those dates for trial. Now, for other people who wanted to resolve their matter, we were getting great deals. There was a perception of delay because of a cascading delay of cases being put over. The Crown attorneys were very concerned about cases being thrown out. So we were getting more conditional discharges than normal. That is, we were avoiding criminal records. In some cases, we were getting peace bonds that was unheard of. I was actually shocked at the amount of deals we were getting. So there was a great benefit to hiring a lawyer this summer. There still is, because what's going on right now is our courts are only open in a limited way. Like, for example, in Kitchener and Windsor, just as an example, only 2 trial courtrooms are open. So there's still this pressure on the Crowns to move cases. They're going to likely be offering deals, and they are. We're getting great deals every day for domestic assault. The other benefit to hiring a lawyer is this. Sometimes on a minor domestic assault, the spouse, the significant other, whether it's been the victim, that is, the husband or wife, they want to get back together. It was a minor assault. It hasn't been ongoing violence. The only way that's going to happen is if you plead guilty and have what's called a revocable consent, where you're allowed to go home. So the sooner you do that, the sooner you get home and get into counseling. And we're here often, people think of criminal lawyers of always getting people off or trying to win cases. We're also trying to get couples back together who want to, where there's only minor violence, and we offer these clients counseling. So those are some of the benefits of what's going on. It's never been a better time to hire a lawyer right now, because the deals are happening, the perception of delay is happening, and I believe the Crowns are going to continue to want to move their files. And they're also going to come to grips with cases where there's no reasonable prospect of conviction, which happens. Sometimes there's false allegations, believe it or not, in domestic assault. There's no question there is. And the Crowns really need to look at those cases, and they are. They're offering deals in many cases right now, and I would encourage you to hire a lawyer right now. There's never been a better time in the province to hire a lawyer, but right now.